how to use and open magnifier on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here you will see second option is VN enhancement, so click on VN enhancement. Scroll down, and click on magnifier. So after click on magnifier, you will see first of all turn on magnifier shortcut. So after click on magnifier shortcut, click on magnifier shortcut, you will see, you will select tap accessibility button, press side and volume up button, and press and hold volume up and down for 3 seconds. So after selecting feature, go back to home screen, refresh phone and click and hold volume down, power button and volume up button at the time. So after click on this button, you will see magnifier is showing, so click on magnifier. So you will see, so you will use magnifier from here. So after using, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can open and use magnifier on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.